Scientists have learned to blow up brains so they can see how they're wired up, and I have Kyle here to demonstrate how it works. Kyle is made of a hydrogel, also called an SAP for super absorbent polymer. It's a plastic matrix that's hydrophobic, literally scared of water or water repellent. Now, when you dunk Kyle, water fills up all the spaces between the polymer molecules and pushes them apart, so Kyle grows considerably. Now, scientists report in the journal Nature that they found a way to embed sections of brain into hydrogels. They then add water, and the brain bits expand just like Kyle. Note that when Kyle expanded, his proportions remained the same. His eyes and nose and whatever those are expanded, but they remained oriented the same as when he was little. And critically, that's what happens with the brain samples. So now, all of the densely packed neurons, including their axons and dendrites, those are the wires that are connecting them, they're spaced out so that you can observe them with a simple light microscope. A brain's wiring reveals a lot about how it works, and studying it can answer questions about what's happening when cell death or injury short-circuits areas of the brain. The researchers use sections of mouse brain in their study, but of course the goal is to eventually blow up human brains and piece together a map of what's connected to what. That can help answer countless questions about the mechanisms behind brain disease and mental disorders, and also just help better understand the everyday miracle of how a 3-pound organ basically defines who we are. For Science Update, I'm Bob Hirschon.